drones for agriculture as well as communication and transport, and smart vacuum cleaner, smart water purifier. If you observe all these scenarios, there is an invisible operating system. Here, these are all devices spread across the public domain. It's very difficult to control in terms of security and security rules as well as updates, configuration. So who will take care of all these things? And here, Kubernetes is not only supporting AI-related workloads, and also it is addressing KubeEdge devices. Kubernetes, with the help of KubeEdge, there is a tool called KubeEdge CNCF graduated project. It is trying to address all the scenarios. Centralized way, how we are going to observe all this configuration and security updates. At the same time, it is supporting MQTT protocol. It addresses like IoT devices as well as machine-to-machine communications. An example use case like China, already they are using this solution, like more than 1 lakh devices they're operating through KubeEdge and electronic toll system. So please see the documentation below. If you like this video, please share it and see you in the next video.